Hey Jennifer, how's it going? This is Sisco. Thank you for taking my call earlier this morning. As promised, I'm gonna go over your website, do a website audit, give you some few tips and tricks. So I'm gonna jump right to it. So Jennifer, looking at your website, good layout for sure. Just looking at all of the content and things like that. But right away, what I look for, Jennifer, is for content. And the reason being is because you want to have at least 1,500 words to 2,000 words of content to be optimized with Google. And I'm also looking for keywords. And a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So right away, that's what I'm going to be looking for. So these are keywords here. But what I'm looking for is buyer intent keywords that are localized, like this. Well, this is the city. Let's see, Tampa. Yep. So I don't see any localized keywords, but I'm going to dive in a little bit into that here soon. Before I jump off this page, what I also look for are your pictures, because your pictures are considered content as well. Do they have keywords? How they optimized for keywords? Do they have meta tags? Do they have meta descriptions? And the reason why you definitely want to get keywords is because you want to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So if you're AC repair, right here, AC repair in Tampa, right? Because I noticed that you guys service Tampa also. You want to tell potential clients, hey, I service in Tampa for AC repair. So now moving over to this tab. This is Ahrefs. This is a tool that I used. It helps me understand how strong your website's doing and what it's being ranked for. So I'm going to jump to this section here. So this here is your strength or your authority score. Currently, right now, you're being indexed at 31. And then this is your trustworthy score. You're being indexed at 5. So what I like to see is a golden ratio. Okay, what I mean about that is this is a good score, but you also want to have this score as high as this one. Even if it's like 28, 29, you're getting really close to that golden ratio. But nonetheless, that is considered a strong website. Now, jumping over to this section here, this is your backlinks. Currently, right now, you have over 1,000 backlinks, close to 2,000, with 243 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlinks text. These links act like an endorsement for your website, and it builds trust with Google, and Google's going to vouch for you, meaning that they're going to continue increasing your rankings on Google. Now, not all links, though, are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant links within your industry. You don't want to get a link, for example, that's from a pizzeria. Okay, getting a backlink from Pizza Hut because you're not in the industry of pizza. You're not in the food industry. So that would actually hinder your overall scores. The last thing I want to go over is your keywords. What are you currently being indexed for keywords? And what I look for, Jennifer, is these type of keywords. Okay, this is good. North Port Air Conditioning. So the reason why is because this means that people that are searching for this on Google, they're truly wanting your service. They're looking for a company that's going to solve their issue or their project, commercial or residential. Now, this is a keyword. Let's look at this. This is the volume, meaning this is the amount of people that are searching for that every single month. 350 people just for this keyword. So if we keep looking, look, this is another one, 30 people here. Let's see what else. So before I continue, let's just stick with this one. And this is position, meaning this is where you're currently being ranked at, number 26. So that's most likely like the third or fourth page of Google. The goal is to be easily top 5 because at that point you are on the first pages of Google. Now let's look at your competition. Okay, so let's look at 1 hour air conditioning in Tampa. So once again, like how I did with your website, Jennifer, I look at, do they have keywords? Do they have content? If they don't, then here they are. Tampa HVAC company. This is a buyer intent keyword. These guys are understanding SEO. So that's a huge one. Look at this, 24/7 AC repair in Tampa, Florida. Another keyword. So those are the type of keywords that you should be shooting for, because therefore you're going to be ranking for folks in that specific area. Now, look at how they're currently being indexed. 37 for their strength, 64 for their trust, over 1,000 backlinks, 147 domains, and then they're being ranked for 1,000 keywords. Now, yeah, you might have more backlinks than they do, but remember how I told you not all backlinks are created equal? That makes a big difference. And look, AC Repair Tampa, they're being indexed for this. 400 people are searching for this. Tampa AC Repair, 450. So imagine just being on the front pages of Google and getting all these clients and just having visibility, right? Just dominating the competition is a huge thing also. And they're being positioned, their rank is number 2. Now, let's just take this to finish off the video. Let's just take this keyword and put it into Google. What pops up? So one, we're going to take it section by section, but this section here, this is the Google guarantee or the Google ads. Folks are paying to be on here. So every time you click on them, they get charged a certain amount. Here, this is the Google My Business page, which is my favorite. The reason why it's my favorite, because 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. To increase your rankings on here, Jennifer, get more reviews, respond to those reviews, update your content with photos that are optimized, get updates on there on a weekly, monthly basis. And those are just some of the strategies that you can implement. And the last thing I want to go over is, remember how I told you they're ranked number 2? They're actually ranked number 1. So that just gives you an idea of what SEO will do for you. And as long as your website's built well and optimized really well, you're going to be able to be ranking for these keywords that I mentioned here and rank higher on Google. Anyhow, Jennifer, thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, concerns, or just feedback, please email me back. I would love to get your thoughts. I have a couple thoughts of my own. So thank you again, Jennifer. We'll talk to you soon.